Hey everyone, I'm Mike Brooks in the Shape Your Future Healthy Kitchen. Once again with our good friend Chef Valerie from the OUTU School of Community Medicine. Spring is in the air, it's right around the corner, so we're making what's called a spring onion pesto.
Right, so you might be used to or accustomed to seeing a traditional basil pesto. Basil can be really expensive. You need 2 or 3 or 4 cups of fresh basil, especially this time of year. And also it's very delicious and very good for you, okay? So we are just gonna start with 3 green onions. So we started with 3 green onions. It's just the green tops, and it's gonna go right into the food processor, along with about 6 cloves of garlic. I mean, if you like more garlic, do more garlic. And then also some nutritional yeast. So the nutritional yeast is gonna add a good amount of protein. So it actually has 8 grams of protein per quarter cup. Okay.
Wow.
Yeah, so it has a lot for a plant-based protein if that's something you're looking for. We're gonna add a good pinch of black pepper, and we're gonna add about ½ a teaspoon of salt to that also. And we're just gonna give this a good pulse. We're gonna make a little bit of noise here. But this is so delicious. You can use it as a spread, you could use it on a sandwich, you could use it as a dip. And so that's what I did.
Yeah,
it's really good with just some fresh vegetables. And then you can also use it tossed with pasta, or as you would just a traditional pesto. Okay, so we're gonna take the lid off, and we're gonna go ahead and put some spinach in here. Okay. And it's gonna get a little bit of canola oil also. So you could use canola oil or olive oil. Again, this is about 2 cups packed spinach.
Right. We're using spinach because it's less expensive now than basil.
Right, so we're getting all of our greens from the green onion and the spinach.
Okay.
Okay, so this is just gonna get all pushed down in here and blended together. We're gonna go ahead and add that oil. And you can get all of these things at the farmer's market this spring.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Super healthy, local.
Right. It's gonna really take off here in a second.
We're gonna fly. Yeah.
Oh, and the other thing that this gets is some walnuts. So traditional pesto has pine nuts in it. Walnuts are a really good source of omega-3s. And so we're gonna go ahead and put those in there. Those are nice and toasty. That's gonna give it a really toasty flavor. Okay, back on.
Now we're cooking.
Now
we're
cooking. So you're just gonna spin this until it's a nice thick spread, but it's smooth at the same time. So if we had just a tiny bit more time, we would keep going on this.
Okay.
But you would scrape that down, and this is what you have. So you have this nice spread. Okay. Okay, and so we have tossed it with some rotini or corkscrew pasta right here.
This looks really
good. A little
good.
green onion on top, and it is really delicious. It has a lot of bite to it, more so than a traditional pesto because of the onion.
And lots of protein.
Lots of protein.
Love it. All right, once again, one of our fantastic recipes here. Chef Val, thank you for that. If you want this recipe, if you want any of the others, just go to our website, KJRH.com. Thank you.
Thank you.
And thank you.